In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best camping stoves in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. In terms of burner performance, you'll be hard-pressed to find more quality output for your dollar than the Camp Chef Explorer. The 60,000 total BTUs from the two burners are a great pairing for large group camp cookouts or even emergency use at home. The stove also sets up quickly, and its sturdy legs are individually adjustable to adapt to uneven ground. In keeping the price down, however, the Explorer is pretty low on features. There is no push-button ignition, and the burners are less protected from wind than premium offerings. The upside of the simplistic design is that the Explorer is ripe for the various accessories from Camp Chef, including a barbecue box, griddle, or pizza oven. Large dials are easy to use and function in the same way as your cooktop at home, but unfortunately, it's not a whole lot lighter than an at-home stove. The powder-coated assembly tips the scales at 30 pounds, 8 ounces. Leaving behind the legs will trim some of that weight, but the Explorer remains overkill for less serious campers. Bigger groups should also check out the 3-burner version of the Explorer, which adds an additional 30,000 BTUs of output for around $120 more. Number 4. The Jetboil Genesis Bassa Camp System showcases some of the coolest new technology available for outdoor cooking. The stove folds up into a rugged metal pod that nests inside a pot for compact storage. The pot and stove, along with a frying pan, lid, windscreen, and regulator fit into a travel bag no bigger than a bowling ball. Needless to say, the Genesis Bassa Camp System is one of the most portable and space-saving stoves on the market. The heat retention coils on the base of the pot made this system incredibly fast and efficient for cooking and boiling water. We also love that you can customize the number of burners using the JetLink port. The Genesis Bassa Camp System is a versatile, top-quality cooking system with an emphasis on streamlined portability and maximum fuel efficiency. Number 3. Calling the Camp Chef Pro 60X Deluxe the best freestanding stove is certainly true, but perhaps the more apt category might be the best hybrid camping backyard grill. In fact, many customers who buy it for camping use it more in the yard than in the wilds. It found a permanent place on the patio when we were home, one customer says. Our Camp Chef the Pro 60X is also an excellent option for serious tailgaters. The flame controls look and feel like those on a top-shelf backyard grill. As you might expect, the stove comes with push-button ignition. Camp Chef is renowned for its modular design approach, too, so you can get a wide array of accessories for its stoves, grill boxes, pizza ovens and more. The Pro 60X also has what can reasonably be described as a professional build, which is apparent both in the twin 30,000 BTU burners and the gravity of the thing. We recommend getting a partner to help you load this 51-pound behemoth into your rig. The legs do fold down, though, and it packs into its own carrying case. Once the stove is out of the vehicle and positioned at the center of your camp kitchen, leg adjusters let you create a level cooking surface. Serious chefs out there will also appreciate another extremely utilitarian feature. The Camp Chef Pro comes with 2 fold-out side shelves that let you stage cooking ingredients right where you need them and have your spices at the ready. Number 2. The simplest option on the list is also one of our favorites. As a tried-and-true model that meets the basic demands of car camping, it's been a go-to choice for our staff over the years. The Coleman Classic Propane Stove might not have all the fancy features of the others on the list, but it's hands down the most bang for your buck out of all camp stoves on the market. The windscreens do the job, and the simmer control is surprisingly effective. It weighs 12 pounds, which isn't much more than other more expensive options. For as low as $43, you get 2 10,000 BTU burners in a classic, trusted design. We cooked up plenty of meals on the Coleman Classic and appreciate how simple it is. If you're camping on a budget, Or want an extra 2 burners for large meals, this stove would be a great addition to your outdoor kitchen setup. Number 1. Camp Chef's Everest is one of the most popular and proven designs in the world of camping stoves, offering a hard-to-beat combination of cooking power, convenience, and superior reliability. In terms of output, you get 2 large burners that pump out plenty of heat, 20,000 BTUs each, but also have excellent simmer control for cooking more diverse and intricate meals. And with their latest update to the 2X model, Camp Chef gave the design a nice upgrade with locking metal latches at each side, a more protective windscreen, a slightly larger cooking space, and a beefed-up build that's also more modern. Combined with a reasonable 12-pound weight and integrated handle, the Everest 2X is hard to beat. The biggest knock against the Camp Chef Everest 2X is its $190 price tag. We think it justifies the cost given the quality of the materials and cooking performance, but there are plenty of smaller, less powerful, and far cheaper alternatives that can do the trick for occasional campers. Overall, unless you need a freestanding build or a third burner for cooking for a large group, we think the Everest 2X is the best all-around option for 2022. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.